Hello everybody, welcome back to another edition of the EcoStruxure Automation Expert training. I'm your host, Leandro Mata, and in this video what we're going to see is how we can install a library in our software. So let's go to the software. So I'm using the EcoStruxure Automation Expert version 26.0. So I'm going to create a new solution. Okay, usually if you want to install the library, you just need to go to here, install libraries, and here you have installed. But I want to show you the behavior when you are in a new solution. So I'm going to install or create a new one, delete me, create, yes, I'm going to replace it. Have another one called delete me, finish, just create everything, let's wait for it, it's loading. So it has their own solution now with a few libraries already added. So what I'm going to do now is to add the library so you can see the behavior. So if you go back to here, lower settings, install libraries, install library, it will ask you to close the solution. I need to find the thing. Where's my library that I want to add? Bear with me a second. This library. So I have this library created for controlling the bus couplers. Just agree, installed, installation completed, and then what you need to do is to open back. Here you can see that it's there. So I'm going to open again my solution I had created. It would, because it is closed now. Just want to show you that. And then once it's added, okay, you just need to go to project configuration and you just find the library. This one has other libraries already involved, so you will add those ones here. Yes, just apply. Says I need to close and then reopen again. There we go. So just go to again, and here you can see now on my project we have this library already added. Okay, now here in libraries you should be able to find the library there ready to use. Okay, so this is how you can add external libraries into the EcoStruxure Automation Expert. Okay, it's very simple. The easiest way is to just not open any project because it needs to be closed. Just as soon as you open the Automation Expert, just go to the settings, install the library, and then once you are in your project, you can assign the library that you've imported into your solution. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this video, and I see you on the next one.